All right, team, today's the day. I'm going to show you how to make a killer first impression when you get asked the question, what do you do? So if you haven't been watching my videos this week, I'm going to put all the links down below. I've been teaching you all the basics around how to craft this message. Today, I'm going to pull it all together for you. To recap, you need to know that you never, ever, ever answer with your job title. Wasted opportunity. Second, you're going to answer 3 questions. What do you love to do? How do you do it? And what are you going to do with it? What are you doing next, right? And then the third thing is you make sure you incorporate and assess your personality and your workplace personas. How do you like to deliver value? And make sure that your answers incorporate those things. So in my case, I am a commander, right? Kind of a take charge kind of gal, but I'm going to showcase more of my energizer side so that it delivers a little softer. And if you don't know what your personality is, I've got the quiz links below. They're free to take. You can take that one and also the workplace persona quiz. Back to it though. I'm an energizer. I'm going to deliver with energy. And I'm going to try to convey in my explanation that I'm a mentor, that I love being a mentor, that I really want to be a visionary. I want to change the world. And that I am an optimizer, that I like to improve things. So that's the messaging that I want to get across. So here we go. You asked me the question, what do I do? I'm going to respond with something like this. Well, I love helping people grow their careers. In fact, I'm making it my mission this year to help 1 million people on LinkedIn grow their careers because school teaches us everything except how to get the career. And I really know that times are changing and people need this information. You know, career coaching isn't a sign of weakness, it's a path to greatness, but people don't have access to it. So my company is the #1 online career growth club, and we're doing that because we've used technology as a way to drop the financial and geographic barriers that people have to getting great access to good career coaching. So now my goal is to help 1 million people change their careers, grow their careers, take ownership, feel better, feel happier, and I'm doing that through this online platform. So see, I said that off the cuff. I didn't memorize it. It wasn't perfect. But you got the point. You learned about, my vision for the future, how I want to help people, how I'm leveraging technology, why I'm taking charge of this, why it matters to me. And hopefully that came across in a way that's more memorable to you. Everyone has the opportunity to do this. You don't have to be me. You don't have to have, an outgoing style. But what you have to do is understand what your style is and use it to your advantage. And when we go out and we don't think about how we're answering that question and what points we want to make sure land on that person, we're just wasting a valuable opportunity to build our reputation. People cringe when they hear personal branding, but I can't say it enough. It's reputation management. Your reputation matters. And today, your network is your net worth. And when a recession hits and lots of people are losing their jobs, that is not the time to start doing this. Now is the time to start doing this. Now is the time to get comfortable with answering this question in a very intentional way. So I hope that helps everyone. Good luck in your answers. I would love to see what you've come up with down below. Questions, comments, feedback, please share it with me. I'm looking at each and every one. If you've got ideas for future topics for me, please share those as well. Otherwise, remember, I wish you the best. I love serving all of you. And if you want to win, you've got to work it daily. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.